today. So since I'm shooting mostly strangers, so I challenged myself to shoot them up using only the silent shooting enabled for my camera. So I'm still here. One of my favorite spot, just right beneath the overpass, and there's tons of people that are crossing the streets because it is near the public market. So I'll be staying here for probably 30 to 1 hour just to capture 20 strangers, and either we're going to do a money shot, and even probably put also the failed shot, even the failed composition. So uh, that's quite of a challenge, really. But yeah, finding the right composition and getting my money shot, even though if I can only have one shot or one photo, I think that will be enough for me today. And that's a good way to practice my speedy composition and my anticipating the moment just to get my subject captured. So probably I'll just stay here, and then I'll be using either 30mm or my telephoto lens. I don't know. So that's the plan for today, guys.
Alright guys, so this time I started scouting for some subject, and it is really quite a challenge, even though I have tons of opportunity to capture most of the people that are crossing the highway or street. There are some limitations because what I'm using during this session is my telephoto lens. It is really challenging. By the way guys, just to remind you, during the session I have my silent shooting enabled, so definitely we are going to have a stretchy image, because that's the drawback of using the silent shooting. And most of the images that I'll be capturing is kind of a stretch. Only the straight portion, I think, is the top portion of the composition. So that's the biggest problem about this photo. So limitations is definitely shooting static subject, even though there are tons of moving objects right around this area. So at least I was able to capture most of the photos here. So I will fast forward the video, and then I'll show you guys the slideshow of photos that I took during this session. So with this, I'll be showing you most of the photos that I took, which is only limited to 20. Again, that's 20 images for this session, using a fishing method for my street photography. The main goal is shoot only 20 and get at least 1 or 2 money shots. So that's it guys, here it is.